Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa and in this video we are going to write a C program to find grade of a student using if else. Let us write the preprocessor directives hash include standard input output dot h hash include console input output dot h void main function curly open brace, and here I'm going to declare int type of three variables s1, s2 and s3, subject 1, subject 2 and subject 3 respectively, and put semicolon. Now I want to calculate percentage. For that I'm going to use float type of data because it holds the real value, real number. So I'm going to write percentage and semicolon. CLR SCR function which is used to clear the screen. Now I'm going to ask the user to enter 3 subject marks in printf function. So in printf I'm going to type enter 3 subjects marks /n and the double quotation mark and semicolon. So using scanf function we are going to receive these 3 subject marks using format specifier %d and %d and the double quotation mark, put comma ampersand of s1 comma ampersand of s2 comma ampersand of s3 and put semicolon. Now we want to calculate percentage after receiving 3 subject marks. So for that what I need to do is I need to use this percentage variable. So here I'm going to write percentage is equal to, here I'm going to add s1 plus s2 and s3 whole divided by 3.0 because we have got 3 subjects, it has to be divided by 3.0. An important point that is to be noted here is we have to put the sum of all these 3 subjects in a round bracket because we want to divide after adding all these 3 subject marks by 3.0. So that's the reason we have to write bracket. Now we are going to write printf statement, and in the double quotation mark I want to print the percentage. So for that I'm going to write percentage is equal to, and here I'm going to write percentage f. So next /n end the double quotation mark, put comma, and here we'll write percentage variable and then put semicolon. Now we have to print the grade, for example distinction, first class, second class, pass class and then fail. So here we are going to use this percentage value to declare the grade. Now I'm going to use if condition, and here I'm going to write if percentage is greater than or equal to 85.0, double ampersand symbol that is used for logical and operation, percentage is less than or equal to 100.0 because here some students may get 100% marks. For that we have to check the percentage. If it is 85 and above 85 and the percentage is less than or equal to 100, then it should print distinction. So in a printf statement I'm going to write distinction, end the double quotation mark and put semicolon. If it is false then I'm going to write if else statement, and here in a condition I'm going to write percentage is greater than or equal to 60.0, then it should print first class. In printf statement I'm going to write first class, end the double quotation mark and put semicolon. So similarly once again we are going to check the next condition. If this condition fails then I have to again go for the next statement. Else if percentage is greater than or equal to 50.0, then it should print second class. In a printf statement, I'm going to write second class, end the double quotation mark and put semicolon. Once again, we have to check for one more condition, that is for pass class. Here I'm going to write else if percentage is greater than or equal to 35.0, then I have to print pass class. In a printf statement, in a double quotation mark, I'm going to write pass class, end the double quotation mark, put semicolon. If the percentage is not greater than or equal to 35, that is, if it is less than 35, then the result will be fail. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to write else part. Printf, and here in a double quotation mark I'm going to write fail, end the double quotation mark and put semicolon. Here if any of these conditions do not met, then at least else part will get executed. If the first condition is false, then this particular statement will not get executed. If the second condition is false, then this statement will not get executed. If this condition is false, and then this condition will not get executed, that is, this statement will not get executed. And if this condition is false, then this particular statement will not get executed. If any of these conditions do not satisfy or which results in true value, then the false statement, that is else part, will get executed, that is fail will be displayed. Now I'm going to write get ch function and then curly closing brace. Now let us take an example and see how exactly this works. Here I'm going to write output. Okay, so when we compile and run this program, it will ask the user to enter 3 subject marks. Here I'm going to write enter 3 subjects marks, and just because of this /n, the cursor will come down to the next line. For example, I'm going to enter 50, then I'm going to enter 60, and then I'm going to enter 70. So here you can see we have received S1, S2 and S3 respectively, and after that we are going to calculate the percentage. So percentage is a variable that is holding the average of these 3 subject marks. So that is, you can write here 50 S1, S2 is 60 plus S3 is 70 whole divided by 3.0. So here you can see 50 plus 60 is 110, 110 plus 70 is 180 divided by 3. So this gives me exactly 60. So 3 ones are 3, 60s are 80. Now we are going to print the value stored in percentage. So this 60 will be stored in the variable called percentage. So it is going to display percentage is equal to floating point, that is 60.000000 will be printed. Now we are going to check this condition. Is percentage greater than or equal to 85 and percentage is less than or equal to 100? No. In this case it is 60. So this condition is false, means this distinction will not be printed. Else if, the next condition will be checked. Here you can see percentage greater than or equal to 60. Here it is exactly 60, hence this condition is true. So in place of percentage you substitute 60 is greater than or equal to 60, that is true. If it is true, then printf first class will be printed. So here it is going to print first class. So for all other conditions we are going to check by putting different values, and we are going to execute this program. Now for that I will take you to my laptop screen.
Here you can see I have already written this program in Turbo C++ compiler. Now it's time to compile this program by pressing Alt F9. Here you can see it is showing success. That means there is no syntax error. Now I'm going to press enter, and now we'll execute this program by pressing Control F9. Here you can see it is asking enter three subjects marks. Now I'm going to enter 50 first subject marks, 60 second subject marks, and 70 third subject marks, and then I'm going to press enter. Here you can see the percentage is equal to 60.000000, and it is displaying the grade as first class. Now let us run this program once again by pressing Ctrl F9 and check out the other results. Now I'm going to enter the marks which is greater than 85, so that we can reach 85 and above 85 percentage to display the grade distinction. Now I'm going to press enter. Here you can see percentage is equal to 86.666664, and it is displaying distinction. So we have seen first class and distinction. Now second class, pass class, and fail we are going to check out. Once again we are going to run this program by pressing Control F9. Now I'm going to enter second class marks, for example 56, 55, and then 59, and then press enter. Here you can see percentage is 56.666668, and the grade is second class. Once again we are going to run this program by pressing Control F9. Once again we are going to enter the value for the subjects less than 50%. For example, I'm going to enter 45, next 40, and then I'm going to write 49, and then I'll enter. Here you can see the percentage is 44.666668, and the grade is pass class. Now we'll check out for fail. For that, once again we are going to run this program by pressing Control F9. Now I'm going to enter marks less than 35 marks. Here you can see we'll write 30, and then once again here I'm going to write, for example, 32. So the percentage is 32.000000, and the grade is fail. I hope it is clear to you. If so, please let me know in the comment box and write as understood. Thank you.